Hello, everyone, and welcome again to another edition of the Smart Select series. I'm Robert Cairns, and today I'm going to be walking you through warranties and what you need to know as a homeowner to make an informed decision. First off, warranties, super straightforward concept. It's a contractual promise. Company is saying, I'm going to install something in your home, and I promise I'm going to stand by it no matter what happens. Um, there are typically a few kinds of warranties. The most common ones you'll be familiar with are parts and labor. In the trades, we also usually offer a workmanship warranty, and then manufacturer warranties will revolve around equipment specifically. So, air conditioners, furnaces, heat pumps, things like that. We'll talk about transferability and future protection clauses, but as a very, very top level, parts are the equipment or components installed in the home. Labor, obviously the workforce, how well did they do their job? Workmanship goes a little bit farther, saying not only how well did the workforce do their job, but if any complications arose from the installation, the workmanship warranty will also cover those complications, which makes it a little bit better than a standard labor warranty. Downsides, obviously, everyone likes promises, but there's obviously got to be some downsides. The big one usually comes around company closure. What I mean by that is a promise is only as good as the company making it. If someone gives you a 10-year warranty, but their company closes down in 2 years, obviously that warranty is no good because no one is there to fulfill it anymore. And the shocking number is that 50% of companies in the trades don't last past their second year, and even more drop off when you get to around year 5. So most warranties out there typically are lost due to the company being out of business, and homeowners are left kind of holding the bag as a result. You can also face things like exclusions, responsibilities on your part to maintain the property, to keep the warranty valid, running maintenance, for example. And sometimes the duration might not be the perfect solution for the project that you are taking on. Now, what you need to know, therefore, you want to be aware of company longevity. How long have they been in business? You want to know how long the warranty is going to last. You want to know how much the warranty is going to cover. And you want to know any conditions, exclusions, limitations, so that you know what it is you can and cannot claim, as well as what that claims procedure looks like. So I have 5 questions that I always ask, or I tell homeowners to ask. The first is, how long has your company been in business? If they're less than 5 years old, that's a huge red flag. You got to be cautious. If it's 10 years plus, you're probably in good shape. The longer the company's been around, the more likely they are to deliver on this promise. You got to know what exclusions and conditions exist. This is going to vary company to company, but the fewer and the easier to execute, the better for you. You want to pay attention to the verbiage. Is it labor or workmanship? Workmanship is better because it not only covers the installation itself, but any complications arising from the installation. What is the claims process? Obviously, the easier it is, better for you. And then for anyone looking to sell their home, you want transferability because you can give that warranty to the person buying your house, and that increases the property value if they know they have a guarantee from a company to protect certain portions of their home. And so, with that, a couple of warranties. We kind of stand by our work here at EnviroSmart. So we have some very strong warranties when you compare us to the industry average. We've been around about 20 years, so you know that we're going to be around to guarantee these warranties. The first is obviously anything to do with our installations for crawl spaces or attics. We offer a lifetime manufacturer warranty on that, as long as it is not, um, an act of God of some kind. We will cover any kind of damage caused by rodents or mold, 10 years on those. We also offer a 5-year workmanship warranty. So if something goes wrong as a result of our installation, we'll come and make it right, and we'll repair the installation that we did to make sure that it's working effectively. On top of that, we also offer a couple of special items. First is we have a free maintenance warranty, which basically means that for 3 years following an installation, we'll come out to your home once a year to do a quick inspection to make sure that the installation is still in good shape. And if not, we will touch it up to ensure that it meets the standards and the code for the city that you live in. And of course, with respect to our HVAC installations, we have the manufacturer's warranties to guarantee that that equipment is running at peak efficiency at all times. We'll come out and usually do an annual maintenance for that. Now, if you're interested in learning more about these warranties, or if you want to touch base with us to see about starting up a project, you can join us here at our website or call us directly at 888-664-1337.